Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video of skincare and body empties. So we're going to talk about products that I've used up, finished it off, and I'm going to let you know whether it's worth repurchasing again. So let's go ahead and get started. I love to use up my products. And you might think I buy a lot of makeup and skincare, but really my spending is pretty under control and I try not to spend over my budget as much as possible. And so with that said, I really love to test the products for you guys. That's what my channel is all about. So first one is more of a travel size. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Joa conditioner and shampoo. So these are very expensive shampoos that are from Sephora, and I have to say I'm gonna pass on these. I feel like they're really not worth the money. Shampoo isn't hydrating enough. The conditioner is meh. I mean, it's just like any conditioner I've tried. Sometimes I feel like it doesn't even lather as much, so I don't feel like I'm getting a deep clean on my hair. I don't see that my hair looks more hydrated when I use it. It just doesn't do anything special, so I'm gonna have to pass on these. The other one, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel. Okay, so this one I would repurchase again. This is a good one. It smells like, you know, coconuts and the beach. It's supposed to leave your skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and I agree. It really gives me a very hydrated feel. It lathers nicely, so I love how it is on my skin. I love the scent of it in the shower without it being too overpowering, so I definitely recommend this. I think my last empties, I did have a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, the lotion, the body lotion that everybody's raving about, and I'm sorry, but my Jergens, the one that says ultra healing, I mean, I feel like that's just 10 times so much better than the Bum Bum Cream. So definitely the shower gel is a yes for me. The shampoo and conditioner, you know, I mean, if you want to treat yourself, why not? It has a really nice scent, but it's not my favorite. Okay, next one is the Oran Prep Spray. So this is what it looks like. You can think of this as kind of like a primer before doing all of the treatment on your hair, before blow drying your hair. So it's kind of a heat protectant as well, and it also revitalizes your hair. And I definitely agree. I kind of use this more like as an anti-frizz kind of spray. I use it before I blow dry my hair, or when I just feel like my hair is extra frizzy that day, I do use this. It's not bad. I mean, Oran is an expensive hair product, and so I am glad I got to try it. Would I repurchase it? Yes and no. I'm kind of in between. It has a nice scent to it, but I think for the price, maybe not. I'm just kind of cheap like that when it comes to hair, really. Next one is the Face Story Me, Myself, and I Refreshing Eye Cream. Highly recommend this. And I still have some left. It's like a cream, and but not a super heavy cream. I mean, just right. I love the consistency of it. It feels so cooling on the eyes, especially for the under eyes when I feel dry, irritated. I mean, this does the trick. This is my everyday go-to. I would definitely repurchase this over and over. Face Story, that's where I get my mask from. I am a Face Story affiliate, and it's K-Beauty, so you can't go wrong with that. At least for this product, for sure. It's suitable for all skin types. It's great at hydrating, depuffing, and brightening. Definitely the hydrating and brightening qualities are there. I mean, I use this at night and I just love it on the eyes. 100% recommend it. This is an oldie but a goodie. Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water or Micellar Water. I'm not sure how you actually pronounce it, but I use this all the time when I don't really have a full face of makeup and maybe I have bare skin. When I'm lazy, I use this instead of water. I just get a cotton swab and just wipe my face all over to get that excess oil. There's no harsh chemicals. It just basically cleanses and refreshes the skin. Proactive Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. And I wrote the word new. I really keep track of all of my skincare expiration dates. When it's too old, like I like to write on the back like usually the date of when I opened the product, because most products have kind of like a 12-month shelf life or expiration date. This one I like because it has benzoyl peroxide. It actually has 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, although I don't know that it makes that much of a difference. I love that it's an exfoliator. It has like these little beads that I really love. Like I'm more of a physical exfoliator than a chemical exfoliator. I feel like it just does wonders around my acne, when I have acne scars. So highly recommend this. It's an acne treatment gel slash exfoliator. Proactive is staying for the long haul, guys. Good Genes Sunday Riley Lactic Acid. Okay, so this is kind of like a lactic acid serum, and I honestly love acids. They are just great at, you know, with skin turnover and just helping clear the scars that I have from acne, which I almost always have all the time. So I'm just constantly exfoliating my skin. These are kind of like the chemical exfoliators that I would go for. And a lot of people love this. I only have the sample size. And yeah, I think I'm all out. Because, you know, this is Sunday Riley. You have to use it all up. It had a bad smell to it. I don't know if that's normally common. If you guys have had or tried the Sunday Riley Good Genes, please let me know if it's supposed to smell like that. I don't think so, but it did for me. So I don't know if it was expired. I don't see it doing anything else for me. So I would pass. I want to try other Sunday Riley products because a lot of people rave about it. Sometimes, you know, people rave about it because it's expensive, but does it really do anything? This one, Good Genes, it didn't really give me the good genes that I've been wanting. So I would pass on this serum. Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I just have the travel size, but I have purchased this blue line. I've purchased the full size from Ulta. I love it. It's a clarifying cleanser. It has 1.5 salicylic acid. So it has that acid that treats acne, helps clarify the skin. It's good at removing makeup as well. Highly recommend it. Next one is the Tula Skincare Probiotics and Superfoods Purifying Face Cleanser. So you guys know I love Tula. I love their cleansers. I've bought this several times already from Ulta. It's not super high end. I would say it's a midline price for a cleanser. But something about the probiotic ingredients just leaves my skin feeling plump and healthy. So with me, I feel like when I use this cleanser, I see the bounce in my skin. It looks hydrated, it doesn't dry or strip the skin of its natural oils. You can use this morning and night. It's just a great cleanser and it just balances the skin out. So highly recommend this. This is my favorite cleanser of all time. Look out for Tula. Now, the only thing I do have to warn you, it kind of smells. It has a bad smell. So it kind of smells actually like the Good Genes Sunday Riley. But at least this one I'm willing to put up with the stench because it does something, visibly does something for my skin. So I love it, and it's not incredibly expensive too compared to maybe getting a full size of the Sunday Riley Good Genes one. So this is my favorite. Get yourself one of these. Next one is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, and it looks like this. This is a great serum. I use this every night. It's very soothing on the skin. And it has collagen, and collagen is one of my most favorite skincare ingredient, tightening everything together and just bringing back the youth in your skin. I mean, it's not a miracle worker. I would say I would definitely repurchase this again, but only if it's on sale. Did it really make the biggest difference for my skin? If anything, it just felt very hydrating and moisturizing. Like, it felt really, really good on the skin, and I love using it every night. Did it make a big difference, like something that I could see whenever I have it on? Not that much. This is on sale. I highly recommend it. It's worth a try. A serum is really an essential step for your skincare routine. Aside from your cleanser and your moisturizer, you need something that really helps with the needs of your skin. Whatever your skin needs, that's the type of serum that you should have. So if you have very dry skin, use a hydrating serum. If you have acne prone skin, maybe all of those lactic acids, all of those BHAs, glycolic acids, all of that stuff might be good as a serum for you, which I gravitate towards. Next one, the tea tree night lotion, purifying tea tree oil. This is by The Body Shop. Okay, I am constantly looking for any skincare that has acne ingredients to it. This is a night lotion that contains tea tree oil, and from my experience, tea tree has been really good at helping with my cystic acne. This is a nighttime moisturizer, and it specifically says suitable for blemished skin. The only thing with this is that it's not hydrating enough for me. I feel like I need to use another moisturizer at night, and plus the scent is horrible. The tea tree scent is definitely there. Kind of annoying. I mean, I would deal with it if it made my skin feel amazing and hydrated, but it just didn't give me enough hydration, so I would pass it. Last one, guys, a new discovery of mine, Derma E Vitamin C Gentle Cleansing Paste, and this contains turmeric. And this really got my attention. It's a skin brightening antioxidant cleanser. It's great at removing makeup. And if you see it, the color of this is orange, kind of like the color of turmeric. And turmeric really has that brightening effect. It might stain your face a little bit, but once you rinse it, it's gonna come off completely, no big deal. But also turmeric has a lot of healing benefits to it, and so I love this. I noticed a significant brightening of the skin whenever I use this Derma E. So coupled with the vitamin C and the turmeric, it's just a well-made cleanser. Derma E, I think their cleanser is around $14. Almost close to drugstore price, but not as low as drugstore. The yellow line from Derma E is more for acne prone skin, oily skin. This is one of those cleansers that did something for me. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's also gluten free, so it has great ingredients. I think this would be a great cleanser for like a teenager. You can actually use this as a mask as well, but I don't like to use it that way. Highly recommend this. Get yourself one of these at Ulta. That is everything when it comes to my skincare empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So stick around, join the family. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I'm finally made it to 1K. We are finally monetized, and I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you to everybody. I hope to see you on the next video. There's always something to learn here. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.